Hello students, today we will study about the process of fertilization and development of seed in a flower. Fertilization occurs when the male gamete present in pollen grain joins with the female gamete present in the ovule. This happens when a pollen grain falls on the stigma of the carpel. Under suitable conditions, the cytoplasm of the pollen grain absorbs sugar and water from the stigma and bursts open and grows a pollen tube downwards through the style towards the female gamete in the ovary. On reaching the ovary, the pollen tube enters ovule through an opening called micropyle, and in the meantime, two male gametes are formed in the pollen tube. Now, as soon as the tip of pollen tube bursts open, one of the male gamete combines with the egg present in ovule to form a fertilized egg called zygote. This process is known as fertilization. Here a question arises, what happens to the other male gamete? See children, the other male gamete combines with the secondary nucleus which is placed just above the egg. This secondary nucleus contains two polar nuclei, and when the male gametes combines with this nucleus, it forms endosperm. Now, what is endosperm? Endosperm acts as a source of food for the zygote. This process is called triple fusion. Why triple fusion? Because three nucleus, that means two polar nuclei and one nucleus of the male gamete, are involved in this process. Now, as you can see, there are two different combinations taking place. One combination is to form the zygote and the other combination is to form the endosperm. So, this process is known as a double fertilization process as two fusions take place. After the process of fertilization, the ovary will develop into the fruit and the ovule will develop into the seed. The seeds obtained from a plant are usually very dry. In this dry state, the seeds can remain alive but inactive for long periods. They are said to be dormant. When seed gets water, air and warmth, it begins to grow. When a seed begins to grow, it is said to germinate. Therefore, the beginning of the growth of seeds is called germination of seeds. After the germination of the seed develops roots which push downwards into the soil and begin to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and the shoot will grow upward. When the shoot comes up above the ground, it develops green leaves. The green leaves of the shoot begin to synthesize own food in the presence of sunlight. This seedling grows gradually and ultimately becomes a new plant.